Hello, this is Nikhil and Sujit presenting you the features of Study app and the Edu app. This Study app and the Edu app will ensure you that we are not going to use 0 KB, 0 bytes or the single bit of your data plan. So the continuous availability and the cost of internet is not at all a concern. These are the best apps to use in rural areas with limited internet connectivity. So we are just will ensure that the setup process will be good. So we will demo you. Okay, so in Study app, you have to just sign in with the pre-filled values. Okay, when app installs, you will land onto the sign in screen. You have to just hit on the sign up, then this screen will appear. You have to enter the details like first name, then the last name. This is the email address, so we have not did any validations for it, and the password field for the Study app. Okay, now we have logged in successfully, so we have to check it whether it is running. Okay, yes, Study app is running successfully, so we are in good condition. Okay, now we will just log in into the education app, that is the Edu app. So just hit on the connect. Okay, sign up successful, good. We can download the course from the local server. That the local server is nothing but our Study app. Now here is the data is downloaded for the mathematics. Okay, we can take a small overview of this. Okay, here is the list of chapters. We can go inside it and we can read the chapters. We can even bookmarks the any chapter, so quickly we can access it. Okay, there is a lot of trouble. Okay, for the exercise you can do the practice using the exercise. For the test, you have the difference in exercise and test is, for the test you have the time limitation. You have to complete this test within the time frame. Okay, this is all about the digital content. So this is all about our application. No, we have made another great we can say the feature of live test. Okay, so in this the professor doesn't have to check the papers, and the student also doesn't have to wait at least for 2 to 3 days to get the result. So now we will take the quick look of it. Okay, now we will take the example of, now we are in the actually Study app. Here is the test series. We will select the test series number 3. Oh, okay, 3. Okay, now we can see the total students count is 1, as now we have just logged in with the one student from the Edu app. So the present students is 0, and the click timer to distribute the test. Okay, so now suppose the any students join. Oh, great. Now you have seen the change in the count of the present students, and now you can see here also, yes, Aditya is present now. Okay, so now the test will start. So in the distribute step, the test is getting it notifies the student that the new test is available. Okay, now test will start. 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, good. Now the test is started on the user's device, that is the Aditya. And now suppose, now here is the Onkar, he is not actually is there. Okay, now suppose he joins in after the test is started. Okay, so he will automatically get the distributed test, and he will just join the test. Okay, now you can see the count is changed to 2, and now the Onkar is also present, and now Onkar has started the test also. Okay, then. Okay, so now even if in between any student has lost his device, or the device is run out of battery, so in that case that user has to just sign into another device, and all the data will be restored from the Study app. So he can just resume his test and will attempt it. Okay, now we'll wait till the time expires. Okay, now test will end in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, exam time is over. Up. Now the surprise for the professor. When he clicks on the submit, okay, now he will get result of the students. That is Aditya and Omkar. Okay, great. Now he will surprise the students by showing them a result. Okay, good. Now the Omkar has got 85% and the Aditya has got the 80%. Now this is not the end. Now if Aditya wants to review the test, review option is there. Now he can review the test also. That's it. Thank you.